Which golf driver shaft upgrade actually makes a difference? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Most of these parts look identical, cost about the same, and promise the same results. Today, we cut through the noise and show you exactly which ones deliver. Product number 1, Tailor-Made Universal Wrench. First up, the Tailor-Made Universal Wrench. At just $23.81, this isn't a shaft, it's the tool you need if you're serious about customizing your driver. What caught my eye is how many golfers don't realize you can't adjust your M1, M2, or M6 driver without this specific wrench. It fits all flight control and movable weight technology clubs, and at only 0.2 ounces, it's tiny but essential. If you want full control over your launch angle, spin rate, and shot shape, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Modern drivers come with adjustable hosels and weight ports, but without the right tool, those features are useless. This wrench lets you fine-tune your setup in seconds. No need to visit a fitter every time you want to experiment. It's made of alloy aluminum, so it's lightweight but durable, and at 4.1 inches long, it fits easily in your bag. Now, some people might think, do I really need this? And honestly, if you never touch your driver settings, maybe not. But if you're the type who tweaks your equipment to match course conditions or swing changes, this is non-negotiable. The flaw? It only works with tailor-made clubs, no use if you're playing Callaway or Ping. But if you're deep in the tailor-made ecosystem, this tiny tool unlocks performance most golfers never access. This is perfect for you if you own an M-Series driver and want to maximize its adjustability. Skip this one if you're not using tailor-made or never adjust your clubs. For the price, it's an absolute steal for serious players. Product number 2, Brampton Pro-Fix Golf Epoxy. Next, the Brampton Pro-Fix Long Cure Golf Epoxy at $15.36. This isn't a shaft either, but if you're building or repairing clubs, it's the glue that holds everything together. What stands out is its 20-minute work life, which sounds short, but actually gives you enough time to assemble a full set without rushing. It's engineered for high-impact swings over 130 mph, and pros use it in long drive competitions because it doesn't crack under pressure. If you want a bond that lasts through thousands of swings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cheap epoxy can fail, causing heads to fly off, dangerous and expensive. This two-part resin creates a rock-solid connection between shaft and club head, and because it's made in the USA to high standards, you know it's reliable. The clear formula means no discoloration, and the 1:1 mix ratio makes it foolproof. Now, some people complained about the mixing process being messy if you don't use proper tools. Here's the thing though, any epoxy requires care. Use a disposable cup and stir stick and you'll be fine. The real issue is its overkill if you're just replacing one grip, but for club builders or DIYers, this is gold. This is perfect for you if you're assembling custom clubs or repairing damaged drivers. Skip this one if you only need occasional touch-ups and don't want to deal with mixing. For the strength and peace of mind, it's a no-brainer. Product number 3, Aceberty Adapter Sleeve for Ping. Now the Aceberty Golf Shaft Adapter Sleeve for Ping G410, G425, and G430 drivers at $16.13. This small black sleeve lets you swap shafts without buying a whole new club. What's smart here is the .335 tip size compatibility. Most aftermarket shafts use this standard, so you're not locked into Ping's proprietary options. If you want to experiment with different shafts to fix your launch or spin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Ping drivers are great, but their stock shafts aren't for everyone. This adapter opens up a world of options, lighter, stiffer, or more flexible shafts without ditching your favorite head. The right-hand markings help with alignment, and the torque-sensitive screw prevents over-tightening. Now some users reported the screw can strip if you use the wrong wrench. Here's the thing though, always use a proper torque wrench, not pliers or vice grips. It's a $20 fix if you mess up, but the risk is avoidable. The real flaw? It doesn't work with older Ping models, so double-check your driver year. This is perfect for you if you own a G410, G430 and want to test new shafts affordably. Skip this one if you're not comfortable doing DIY club work. For the price, It's a gateway to better performance. Product number 4, a Aceberty.335 adapter for Callaway Paradigm and Mavrik. Next, another Aceberty adapter, this one for Callaway Paradigm, Mavrik, and Big Bertha drivers, also $16.13. It's nearly identical to the Ping version but designed for Callaway's hosel system. The .335 tip fits most aftermarket shafts, and the aluminum build is just as durable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Callaway's adjustability is excellent, but their stock shafts can feel too stiff or too soft depending on your swing. This sleeve lets you dial in the perfect flex, weight, or kick point. It's compatible with Paradigm, Paradigm X, Rogue SD, and even older models like the XR series. The included ferrule and screw make installation straightforward. Now, some buyers mention the right-hand markings can be confusing if you're using a left-handed head. Here's the thing though, the sleeve still works, but the markings will face the opposite way. Just remember, function over form. The bigger issue is compatibility. Double-check your exact model, as not all Callaway drivers use the same hosel. This is perfect for you if you're playing a modern Callaway driver and want more shaft options. Skip this one if you're not confident in DIY installations. It's a small price for big tuning potential. Product number 5, Graphite 2.335 adapter for Callaway Elite and AI Smoke. Finally, the Graphite Golf adapter sleeve at $16.39, built for the latest Callaway Elite and AI Smoke drivers, plus a long list of older models. What sets this apart is its wide compatibility. It even supports 2024 and 2025 models, which is rare for aftermarket parts. If you want future-proof shaft flexibility on your Callaway driver, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Newer Callaway drivers have complex hosels, and finding adapters that fit can be tough. This one is designed to work with the dual cog system, offering 8 loft and lie combinations. That means more adjustability than most golfers ever use. The right-hand markings are clear, and the torque-sensitive screw protects against damage. Now, some users said the packaging is bulkier than needed, which is true. It's a small part in a bigger box, but that doesn't affect performance. The real flaw, it's so new that long-term durability reviews are limited. Still, the brand has a solid track record. This is perfect for you if you've got a 2024 plus Callaway and want to customize your shaft. Skip this one if you're happy with your current setup. For cutting-edge compatibility, it's a smart investment. So which one's best? The tailor-made wrench is essential for M-Series owners. Brampton epoxy is a must for builders. The Aceberty and Graphite adapters open up shaft options for Ping and Callaway players. Pick the one that matches your driver. None are flashy, but all solve real problems. If you're serious about your game, one of these belongs in your bag.